Real quick before we start, if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, you're missing out. Subscribing is absolutely free. It only takes you 1 second. Premium content is coming soon exclusively for all subscribers. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on the notifications. The iron pillar Shaolin stone carries for spinal stability. The mechanics of stability, anti-lateral flexion strength. Muscles on the opposite side engage intensely to keep the rib cage level. It targets the deep core spinous and deeply activates the QL muscle to prevent lower back stiff. It creates a spinal stiffness and enhances the core's ability to resist unwanted movement, and it protects the spine. The therapeutic and functional benefits are: corrects postural distortions, restores healthy alignment by strengthening weakened muscles on the overstretched side. The real bulletproofing are: prepares the back for asymmetrical daily loads like carrying heavy, uneven groceries. Stability before power build a stable core. Subscribe now for more.